Why would you discard your leftover rice when you can turn it into this delicious fried rice? You heard me right. In today's video, I'm coming to show you how you can achieve this delicious fried rice from your leftover rice. I used not to enjoy leftover rice until I tried this. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Life with Miss Eve. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get started. In a hot pan, pour a little amount of oil. I used sunflower oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. I added my onion first. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes on a low medium heat. Then I added my carrots. Remember to add all your hard vegetables first. Let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes before you proceed with your eggs. I'm using 2 large eggs. I scrambled my eggs into bigger chunks because that is what I like. Remember to cook this on a low medium heat. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box. Kindly check it out. So I continue to cook my egg on a low heat for about 1 minute. When it was well done, I added my powdered pepper. I am not too much of a spicy food lover, so I just added a little amount of powdered pepper to my mixture on fire. If you have sardine, corned beef, or sausage, you can use it. It is optional. I didn't have any of that in the house, so I didn't get. I just proceed to add my cooked rice, my leftover rice, to the mixture. I received a call, so I couldn't record the parts. I added my seasoning powder and my salt. I just added a pinch of salt and onga cube to this. So here I added my leftover rice to the mixture on fire, then stirred it very well. I mixed it. When you are mixing, you have to have a soft hand so you don't break the rice into smaller pieces. I used Royal Umbrella rice for this recipe. So after mixing it, I added my curry powder. I remembered I had a sliced vegetable cabbage in the refrigerator. I was going to use that for my noodles, so I just added it to my fried rice, then proceed to add my spring onion, then the curry powder. Enjoy the rest of the video. Kindly subscribe, comment, like, and share for me. See you in my next video. It's a bye for now.